Welcome on my channel Drawing by Aqsa. Hello kids. Today kids I am drawing a sketch. Today I am drawing a new sketch. See kids what I am drawing today. And draw now with me step by step. Follow how I am drawing a sketch. Wow. What is the kid? Wow, this is a beautiful cartoon. Now kids draw with me and see carefully what I am drawing today. Wow, what is this kid? This is a beautiful cartoon sketch. Wow. The beautiful alphabet N. Wow, I am drawing a beautiful alphabet N. N for new vet. This is a new vet. This is a beautiful animal of Newt. N for Newt. Now coloring with the kids in Newt eyes. Wow, a beautiful lizard. Its name is Newt. And for Newt. Now doing orange color in body part of Newt. And for Newt. Alphabet N. And for Newt. Now kids see how I am doing coloring in body part of Newt. See how I am doing coloring. I am continuously coloring in face of Newt. And for Newt. And for Newt. Wow, a beautiful face of Newt. Now coloring in other body part of Newt. Orange color in other body part of Newt. Alphabet N. Alphabet N. Valley of Newt. Valley of Newt. And for Newt. Now I am doing dark blue color in alphabet N. A drawing of alphabet N. See kid how I am doing dark blue color in alphabet N. Now coloring with the kids step by step. It's very easy to draw and coloring in a sketch of Newt. For Newt, alphabet N. Wow, beautiful sketch of Newt. Alphabet N. Now quickly I am finishing my coloring in alphabet N. A beautiful sketch of Newt.